I just got the DeWalt DC900. Yes, DeWalt actually sent me this beast to try out. Lucky me, right? The impact wrench. 18 volts, 60 watt, and up to 1900 newtons of breakaway torque. That's basically Hulk in tool form. Or in human language, say goodbye to stuck bolts. It hits harder than your mother when you talk back. And here's the fun part, no battery. I'm just sitting here waiting like kids waiting for Christmas presents. Fell? Now full honesty, this kit doesn't come with a battery. You'll need to already have one or grab it separately. I'd show you the power. But right now, it's just flexing in silence. Box full of dreams, 0 batteries included. Stay tuned for real test. Last time, many commented that this might not be an original DeWalt. Honestly, I don't know if it's original or not. I've never owned one before. What I can do is test it and see if it's worth the value of money. Here's where the DC900 comes in. Stopwatch on, bolts ready. And yeah, I know the timer started at 40 seconds. Call it a small brain glitch. In real time, though, this tool knocked every wheel bolt loose in about 40 seconds. Smooth, powerful, and honestly pretty satisfying to watch. And just like that, tire's off. No struggle, no drama. Now let's reverse the process. Bolts going back one by one, tight and secure. Caps back on for that factory look. And finally, car back down, all handled by the same tool. No hand cramps, no wasted time, just raw torque doing its thing. So, is it worth it for the value of money? Totally yes. Whatever the badge says, this tool does the job, and that's what really matters. And speaking of batteries, part 3 is coming next. I'll test how long it runs on a full charge. DeWalt real battery test. I put it on my impact wrench, clipped the trigger, and started the stopwatch to see how long it could last running non-stop. The wrench kept going and going. No breaks, no pauses, until finally the battery gave up. Now keep in mind, in real life, an impact wrench has a lot of pauses. You're not holding it wide open the whole time. Total run time, 15 minutes and 23 seconds of continuous power. Pretty solid for one charge. If you want to test it yourself, check the link below and let me know your results.